Welcome to Pashbull. This is our high-performance 24 volts 100 ampere-hour deep-cycle lithium battery. It's very suitable for solar, off-grid, RV, camping, and other energy storage applications. Its shell is made of VO flame retardant material, which is safer. A display screen on the battery. You can easily check the capacity. The positive and negative terminals are made of M8 bolts. A hand strap for easy carrying. It is also integrated with Bluetooth app monitoring. Amazing VO flame retardant housing. Splash proof. High stability BMS. 2 series and 4 parallel connections. Choose our 24 volts, 100 ampere-hour deep-cycle lithium battery. Experience an excellent power solution.